Hi family, so a lot of you have been asking me, how do you submit work in Canvas? So I'm right here in the math module at the part of the lesson where it's asking you to complete and save your assignment, submit your work to Double the Fun. So first you would need to have printed out the Double the Fun sheet. I have a different sheet, but just for the sake of the example, I've got it right here. So let's just say this was the student work. They did everything they needed to do. I'm going to use my cell phone. I'm going to go to my camera. I'm going to take a picture of it. You can also use an iPad, a document scanner. I believe you can use your computer for this. So I'm just going to take that picture. I'm going to go into my photos. If you have Apple devices, you can get them just to sync and share with each other through the Airdrop feature. I don't speak PC. I'm sure there's another Airdrop feature, but the reach around is I'm just going to email this to myself. I'm going to send it to my email address, send it off. Great. Then I would go into my email, open that, and download the photograph. Then you're all set. That's the part of complete and save your assignment. Then to submit that work, it's already been done, you're going to hit this next on the bottom. Remember, next on the bottom gets you in and out of assignments. The green arrow on the top moves you through lessons. So next on the bottom. All right, I've already done the work. I'm going to hit submit assignment. It's going to want a file upload. You're just going to go to choose file and look for that file that you just downloaded. You emailed it, you downloaded it to your computer, should be in recent downloads. Like I said, I'm going to do things a little differently, but let's just say I wanted this to be it. I would hit open. There it is, it's ready. You can see it's right in there. I'm going to submit this assignment. And done. If you have any questions on that, please let me know. This is the absolute best way to submit assignments. If you need to do it through email for this week, that's okay. But in order for me to be able to give everyone the fastest feedback possible, it's helpful if all of the submissions are in one place. So I really hope that helped.